Welcome to our introduction on using the Rossells Connect portal to manage your site access control systems. First of all, we're going to log into the portal at the address shown on the screen. Next, we need to use the username and password provided to you, along with completing the reCAPTCHA verification process to prove to the system that you are definitely human. This is the main portal home screen, where we can see a menu of options on the left, our status bar along the top, and all the welcome information in the middle. There are many things that can be done through our portal, but right now we're going to be focusing on the access control functionality. Click on the access control link in the left-hand menu to reveal the drop-down list of options. If we click on doors, we can see an active list of access control doors, along with their current status. Clicking on events will show the last 60 days worth of log events occurring across all of your doors. You can search to filter specific events and also reorder using the up and down arrows located in the column headers. Please note that events are refreshed every 15 to 30 minutes. If we click the Sites link, this will show us a breakdown of the different sites currently enabled on the portal. In this test environment, there is only one site available, which is 7 Fake Road, so we can go ahead and click on that one to view more details. Now we can see a list of all the users attached to that site. Again, we can search specific user information using the search box in the top right-hand corner of the table. The first column is the card name, and this can be edited on the next screen. The second column is the card number. These are sometimes not available from all system types. And the final column indicates whether the fob is currently enabled or disabled on the system. Here we're going to click on the Director's fob to load up further user information. In this first information box, we have the card name and its current status. As you can see here, it is currently enabled. As we don't have the card numbers listed on this site's system, they don't appear in those two boxes to the right-hand side. Other systems will provide card number details here. Along the bottom, we can see the current user's access permissions and the username editing option. We can disable this user by clicking the orange Disable this user button. This will stop this fob from having access to any doors on this system. If we want to enable the user again, we can click the green Enable this user button. Access permissions are preset by our team and determine what doors a user can access. In our test system, we have a front door and a bike store door, and this user is able to access both. If we want to change this, simply select one of the predetermined options from the drop-down box and click the Update Access Permission button to make sure the changes are saved. Some simpler systems may only have one access permission option. If you require more choices, talk with a member of our support team so they can set them up for you. We can also change the name of the user to something easier to remember. This would usually be a tenant or staff member name. It's important to be able to quickly find the right information should you need to disable a user. If we go back to the site screen, we can now see that we have changed the username to George Blogs and disabled Joe Blogs. Please keep in mind that changes made on the portal may take up to 60 seconds to go live on site systems. This concludes our demonstration. Feel free to contact our support team should you require any further assistance.